All right, this is number 11 on your Unit 9 review. Number 11 says, what is the new pressure of 150 milliliter of gas that is compressed to 50 milliliters when the original pressure was at 3 atmospheres and the temperature is held constant? Okay, so what's the new pressure? There's our question. We've got 150 mils of gas. It says compressed to 50 mils, and it says the original pressure was 3 atmospheres, okay, and we're holding temperature constant, so that means temperature doesn't matter. Okay, so let's get our givens down. We know that we've got the new pressure of 150 milliliters of gas that's compressed to 50 milliliters. So from that wording, you should know that the initial volume, you should know that milliliters is volume, is 150 milliliters, and that our final volume is 50 milliliters, okay? And that the original pressure, that means P1, is 3.0 atmospheres, okay? Which means, if we look at our question, what is the new pressure? Our unknown is our final pressure, P2, and it's going to be in the same units, atmospheres. All right, so the equation that deals with pressure and volume is Boyle's law, and you can look that up on your formula chart. P1 times V1 is equal to P2 times V2. And then we just need to substitute our numbers in. Our initial pressure, our original pressure, was 3.0 atmospheres. Our initial volume was 150 milliliters. We don't know what our final pressure is. That's what we're looking for. And the final volume was 50 milliliters. All right, so the first thing you do is simplify. You multiply 3 times 150, and that gives us 450. And that is equal to P2 times 50. And then we divide both sides by 50. Okay, so then dividing both sides by 50, we get 9. All right, last thing we need to do is our significant digits and our units. Okay, so if we look back up at our givens, 150 has 2, and I apologize, this 50 should also have 2 in it. It should have a decimal up here, and that's a typo on my part. I apologize for that. So I'm just telling you right now that this should also have 2 because there should be a decimal up here on this number, and then this should have 2, which means our answer needs to go to 2. Well, we get 9 exactly on the calculator, so the only way that we can make this have 2 significant figures is to put a 0 on it. So our final answer for our final pressure is 9.0, and then our units are atmospheres, ATM.